Impromptu trips are like rolling the dice. You never know what you're gonna get. Hi, I'm Lefty with Best of the Back Roads, and it is Friday. And I promised you a video, but this one's not gonna be long. I'm packing up and I'm heading to Seneca Rocks in West Virginia. Sometimes you just gotta take a trip. You gotta put all your stuff together, throw it in a bag, and take off on your adventure. And that's what I'm doing tonight. Literally decided to do it, probably about 3 hours ago. And I'm packing up and heading out there. It's gonna be a couple-day trip. It's 500 miles one way or thereabouts. And I'll camp, do a 13-mile hike. I've never been to Seneca Rocks. My wife assures me it's the prettiest spot on the East Coast, Mid-Atlantic area anyway. So then I'll camp and turn and burn and head on back. In the meantime, like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you on the road.